Welcome to part 3 of the training. In this part, we are going to speak about sharing the survey and how we can track it and we can close it after we are done. So first of all, once we are done with the survey with all the questions, we can click at this send button and we can either send it by email. We write the email of the person, subject and other, or we can simply create a link. We can shorten the link to make it nicer. Then we can copy it, and after that we send it to people by email or by social media or wherever we want. The third option is to put it in our website, which is something I don't think it's related to us directly. So once I have the link, let's assume that I have sent it to my friend and my friend have opened the link. Now this window will appear to my friend. I will say yes, I have a job. Next, how long I have been for 4 years, and my job is fun. I agree with this statement. Submit. So your response has been recorded. Now if I go back to our form, we will notice something strange in here. The responses are 1 now, and this is live, which means when people answer, we can see directly the answer. So now I have 1 response. This is the answer, and you will see all of these. We will speak about them later. This is the first thing, and this is how we can track the answers of people. Now, the third part of our agenda is how we can close the survey. Let's say that we wanted 100% to answer and they have already answered. We can go to responses and we can click at this button. So not accepting responses. And we can actually write a message in here. Thank you for your interest. Done. So now if a second friend get the link and he's lazy a bit, he came after 3 days, he wanted to fill the form, he will see this message. Thank you for your interest. And you can customize any message that you want. And thank you for your interest. This is the third part of the course.